beautiful people, I am Chev. Welcome back to my channel. Make sure you are subscribed down below. Today's video, we're about to style a unit from MYFIRSTWIG.com, and I can't wait to show you guys the install. So I'm just showing you what I got in my box, and you're gonna need this flyaway tamer for the wig. Okay, it's gonna be your saving grace, and it's gonna help your wig to lay flat and neat as possible. Now this is a HD Swiss lace that is 13 by 6. And as you guys can see, like straight out of the package, the wig is already pre-plucked for you. Like look at that natural hairline, and also the knots are bleached, so you literally don't have to do much to the wig. All you have to do is install it. So I got this in 20 inches. It's an ombre Malaysian human hair, and I just want to show you guys the ends, how it's looking, and it's just giving silky. But even though it's giving silky, it's also giving a yaki-ish type of texture, so I'm thinking it's kind of like a mix feel. So I want to show you what the inside of the wig looks like, and also I just showed the band, which is going to help your wig to be glueless if you wish to wear it like that. I'm going to tack on the wig using a spray, but this wig can definitely be worn glueless. So first things first, I'm going to customize the front. Now, even though the wig is perfectly done for you, you still want to make sure that it's nice and flat. So I'm going to take my handy dandy hot comb, and you're going to use that flyaway tamer to put on top, and then use the hot comb to help the wig lay flat. Then I'm going to use some Tresemme serum, and this is going to help with the flat ironing. Like as I said to you guys, like it's a silky hair, but it's still giving that yaki texture, which I like. And I think it's because of the ombre and the coloring of the hair. Usually when hair is colored, like wigs or extension, they tend to have like a dried look. So I feel like that is what's giving it that yaki texture, which I absolutely like because it's a more natural than silky. Now girl, we're about to do the ball cap method with this. If you know me, you know I'm a lazy girl. I ain't got time to be doing the ball cap method. So all I'm gonna do is sleek my edges with my yellow tube got to be, and then I'm gonna put on a wig cap. Now once my wig cap is on, this is a step that a lot of people tend to miss, and it's cutting the lace off the back of your wig. Like cut the lace on the back, child. So I put the band in the wig on the tightest part, and then I'm going to apply my wig, or put on my wig rather. So I'm just trying to make sure that everything is aligned. So I'm going to pull the wig forward, but for me, I don't have a widow's peak, so I want to make sure that the wig doesn't have a widow's peak, or I try to cut that off, because generically they usually give these wigs a widow's peak, and I don't know how much percentage of the population has one, but I like to customize the lining to make sure that it's not too much on my forehead. Like I like my big forehead, it's what helps with my features. Like it gives me my natural features, so I don't want it to come all the way to my brows. So I'm just gonna make sure that the sides are aligned. So the first thing I do is cut off the excess lace on the side and make sure that it's laying by my ear, like right on my ear, like as natural as possible, so that I could wear the hair behind my ear. And also it helps to give that glueless look when you don't want to wear the wig with glue or spray on any given day. You just want to put it on and go. So doing this and making sure everything is aligned will help to achieve that look. Now I'll be using the EBIN spray, and usually I spray under the lace, like right on my along my hair lining, but for this look we want it to be a little bit more sleek back, so I don't mind spraying it directly on the lace on the hair as well, because if I spray it on there, it's gonna help the hair to just stay laid. So once I put that on my wig elastic band, I leave that on for about 5 minutes to get it to be melted. So you want to make sure that your lace is melted, child. Like look at that, she is staying. Okay, so now it's time to cut off the excess lace, and I typically do the same method. Like I do this in sections, so I just don't go all the way across. I cut 2 pieces and then I go from one side to the other like I'm showing in the video, and I just take my time. And not to worry with this part if the lace is a little bit lifted off of where you cut, we're gonna touch that up in a bit by spraying the lace spray onto your fingertip and then dabbing it on the lace. Then you reapply the elastic band, and that is what's gonna help you to get that lace to be melted. So I'm just touching up the hair, seeing how everything is looking. Like, I'm like, girl, we don't need any swoops with this, no baby hairs. I know a lot of times you guys want to see what the hair looks like without that extra stuff. I personally, preference for me, like the swoops. Like, I just like how it looks, but I want to show you guys what it looked like without doing the swoops for the girls that's not into that type of thing. But if you're like me and you like the swoop and you like that extra ish sometimes, you can just take a little flat iron, cut the little hair in the front, and then swoop that baby back with a little bit of that lace spray onto your edge brush, and then just do it however you want to do it. And this is how the hair is looking at the moment. I am absolutely in love with this color. I just love how ombre type of waves look on my skin tone. It just gets my skin like popping. It makes me look even more golden. So I'm just dabbing a little bit of translucent powder on the parting. You can use any type of foundation powder that you have. Like, you don't have to use what I use. Just use whatever works for you. And that is it, my loves. Like, let me know what you guys think of this hair and the install, because girl, I am loving it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at @Chev. All the details will be down below, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.